Globally, the 29th of May 2021, there have been 169,118,995 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 3,519,175 deaths, reported to WHO. As of the 26th of May 2021, a total of 1,546,316,352 vaccine doses have been administered. India is the second most affected country in the world. There have been 28,175,044 infections and 331,895 coronavirus-related deaths reported in the country since the pandemic began. Since the beginning of the pandemic, at least 1 in 49 residents have been infected. A total of 27,729,247 reported cases. At least 1 in 4,237 residents have died from the coronavirus. A total of 322,512 deaths. The main reason is lineage B.1.617 was a variant of SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. It was first identified in Maharashtra, India on the 5th of October 2020. The strain, identified in October, spawned 3 versions B.1.617.1, B.1.617.2, and B.1.617.3, amid an unprecedented spike in COVID-19 cases that made the South Asian country the site of world's worst coronavirus crisis. Early analysis suggests B.1.617.1 and B.1.617.2 have a substantially higher growth rate than other circulating variants in India, suggesting potential increased transmissibility. The strains rapidly appeared in multiple countries, the WHO said. The more infectious coronavirus driving a catastrophic COVID-19 epidemic in India was detected in 44 countries, according to the World Health Organization, which urged more studies to understand its severity and propensity to cause reinfections. The SARS-CoV-2 virus transmits majorly through aerosol and droplets, which makes wearing a mask very important to curtail its spread. The virus is released in the saliva and nasal discharge of an infected person through exhalation, talking, speaking, singing, laughing, coughing, and sneezing, the document read. In India, the ministry said that of half the population who wear a mask, 64% of them cover the mouth, but not nose, 20% of them wear it on the chin, 2% have the mask on the neck, and only 14% wear it correctly covering the nose, mouth, chin, and with a clip on the nose. Maharashtra tops the list of most coronavirus-affected states, with 276,573 active cases, and total 94,030 deaths so far. Second, Karnataka. The southwestern state has 2,567,449 confirmed cases, and 28,298 deaths. Karnataka currently has 350,066 active COVID-19 cases in the state, and the recovery rate stands at 2,189,064. The next, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan. India leads the world in the daily average number of new infections reported, accounting for 1 in every 3 infections reported worldwide each day. Vaccination seems to be the only highly effective solution in India. India began its vaccination program on the 16th of January 2021, and by April was administering 3 to 4 million doses a day. India has authorized the British Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine, the Indian BBV152 vaccine, Covaxin, and the Russian Sputnik V vaccine for emergency use. As of the 25th of May 2021, the country had administered over 200 million vaccine doses. At that rate, it will take a further 136 days to administer enough doses for another 10% of the population. COVID-19 infections are decreasing in India, with 175,167 new infections reported on average each day. That's 45% of the peak, the highest daily average reported on May 9th. I see that India is slowly getting out of the bad situation, and the COVID-19 situation is gradually getting better under control.